Hello everyone, welcome to Stockpile. In today's video, I will show you how to make the intro that you saw in the beginning of this video. So if you're prepared, let's get into it. Extract the file and open the file in Filmora. Now drag and drop your text file into the timeline. Resize the file as 50. Make sure the file is centered. Now drop the reflect file into the timeline. Now double click on the clip and go to blending mode and select multiply. Drag and drop the particles clip into the timeline. Double click on the particles clip to go to blending mode and select screen. Now render it. Now export it. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, then subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon.